So yun lang guys, kailangan nyo lang gawin dito pag ano na yung kalaban, may score na yung kalaban, kailangan mo ng ibuaya guys. Kailangan na lumabas ni Lolong para panalo. So, let's go team. So pasin mo lang sa akin ng bola, pag di kaya pasa lang. Sige Kagi, kunin mo rebound. Uy, nakuha ng kalaban. Uy, pumukul ka agad, rebound. Uy, ito yung, ay ito pala rebound. Extra ball. Ito na guys. Buaya. Walang rebound. Uy, debris. Rebound. Uy, yun lang. Tayo dito. So, kailangan natin guys ilabas si layup. Nice one. Ito guys, layup naman para sa next ko. Rebound. Pass. Sige, shoot mo na yan. Rebound tayo. Pasa. Grabe naman galawan niya Kagi guys. Angas. Okay, pass mo. Layup. Uy. Pasa. Lolong 4-3. Ay, nilabas na. Yun lang. Clear na. Rebound. Nice one. Pass. Layup. Okay. Ito papatalo dyan. Grabe naman galaw ni Kagi guys. Binubuhat tayo nitong si Kagi Diba rin? Grabe naman, dalawang bantay. Sorry to. Lay up. Rebound. Yun lang, talo. Rebound. Three points. Walang 3 points guys. Rebound.
It's my dream. I have to grab it with my own hands.
Block. Rebound. Nice one. Ay. Nako, all na. Talo pata.
Pass it.
Lay up. Nice one. Uy. Rebound.
It's my dream. I have to grab it with my own hands.
Rebound. Nice one. Pass. Sige na, shoot mo na. Nice one. Oh. Rebound. Ano ba yun? Nice one. Pasa muna. Uy, turnover lang. Sayang naman. Rebound.
It's my dream. I have to grab it with my own hands. You are not my opponent. Impossible.
Nice one, nice one. Sacrifice. Pasa. Shoot mo yan. Rebound.
It's my
Nice
dream.
one.
I have to grab it with my own hands.
Pinakain, guys. 16 seconds na lang. Kaya natin manalo ito. So, rebound. 5, 4,
National
3.
champion.
Grabe. Pass yung bola at 5, 3, 2, 1.
Leave it to
2 times up. Shoot pa. Padalo na naman kami. So, yun lang guys. Kadali guys. So, kung gusto nyo maglaro nito. So, yun. Mag-enjoy kayo dito. Ang gandang laro. Tingnan nyo naman. Lagi tayong panalo. Top scorer tayo lagi. Continue. Yung MVP lagi yung ano? Yung maraming rebound guys. Yan kadalasan yung MVP. So return na tayo dito.